Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. From me and my sleepy sidekicks who happen to be awake right now. Here is Xena. You want to say hi? I had to lure her up here with a treat, which she is still slightly chewing on. Wyatt's here too. He's already assuming his sleepy position. Can you say hi? Say hi to everybody. Look, he's so stiff. He wants to lay down. And Xena took his spot, which is probably why he didn't want to move. So, can you say hi? He's so funny. Oh my God. So, welcome. So glad you're here. I like to do unboxings and try-ons and reviews and occasionally something to do with fur babies, which I have a bark box somewhere. Yikes, which I haven't told him about yet. But today I have a Golden Tote unbagging for you, which I've had here for a few days. So I'm excited to dig into it. And Golden Tote offers, it's not really a subscription service because you can do it whenever you want. And it doesn't kick off unless you go in and ask for one. And they offer 3 different totes. Your items work out to be about $30 an item. So they're deeply discounted. And you can do, and I forget the names for them. I think there's a Mini Tote. I forget the middle one, and the Golden Tote. The Mini Tote has 2 items in it, which I believe they pick both for you. The middle one has 3 items in it where you pick 1 and they pick 2. And the Golden Tote is where you pick 2 and they pick 3 items for you. And you can also shop their boutique and the items are discounted there as well. They'll work out to like $35 or $40 per item. And they have quite a lot of clothes in there. And they get new clothes the first Monday of every month at 9 a.m. Pacific time. So then you can shop their boutiques or you can kick off a tote for yourself. And that's generally when I try to look at them, is whenever the new items get into their boutique. So Wyatt is getting sleepier and sleepier. So we'll let him go to sleep and we will get to the unbagging. So, and I will put the information down below if you guys want to check out the Golden Tote. And I will put my referral code as well. And I can't remember if you get a discount or not if you use it, but if you do, I will put that down below. So, and everything comes inside a tote, just like this one this month. They do switch up every month. So I did get to pick 2 of my items because I did the Golden Tote and they picked 2 items. And as I said, everything averages out because mine was $149. So everything averages out to be $30 an item, and it's yours to keep. Once you get it, it's yours to keep. You can return things if you don't like them, but then it causes the items that you do keep to not average out to $30 an item anymore. So it kind of skews the pricing of it. You don't just get, if you return an item, it's not $30. It's kind of odd how it works out. So let's see what I got here. Of course, everything's in plastic. So first up is something striped. And it is a dress. It looks like a midi dress. It's like t-shirt material with a little elastic waist. It has pockets and it's a little bit longer, maybe. Little t-shirt hem. So that's not bad. That's cute. Next up is something soft. It's a cardigan by Lazy Sundays. What was this one? What was the dress by? The dress was by Sweet Claire. Okay, so this is Lazy Sundays. And it is I guess this is a green color. It's very soft. It has these types of wrists. What is that? It has a little cuff here at it. Okay, next. I'm so tired. I feel like I can't even speak right. I don't know. It seems like it was a really long week. Okay, so this is navy blue. It's by Fun2Fun, and it is a blouse with the little wide sleeves, little bell sleeve. It has a little bow in the front. It has little red polka dots, navy blue. So those are the 3 items that they picked for me. These are the 2 items that I picked for myself. This is a little tunic top by Rethm, R-E-T-H-M. So it is super soft jersey material, and I was thinking travel when I picked it in this little rose color. It does have the little tie here at the elbow, and it's a little just tunic top. Very, very soft. And the last one is by Gilly. I believe it's a dress, if I remember what I picked. Yep, it's a little dress with the faux wrap. And it's got these little floral pattern on it, but it's on black, so I thought it was a nice fall color with the 3/4 sleeve. Very soft also. So those are the 2 I picked, which I think are my favorites. But that would make sense. I picked them, right? But I'm interested to see what everything looks, so you never know. I will be right back with the try on. Okay, so here's that first blouse. And I just left on the jeans that I had on, but I did put on a pair of red shoes just to pull the red out from the polka dots. I'm not sure how I feel about this little bow, but the sleeves are kind of cute. They don't bother me that much. And it has some nice flow to it without being crazy. So it only comes out this far, so that's not bad. I think it lays kind of nice. Yeah, it's not too bad. I think I could put on a pair of non-distressed jeans, and this would be a nice look for work. And I could probably even tuck it in for a little bit of a dressier look as well. Does that look? Yeah, so I mean, it's not, I think it's kind of cute. I'm just not sure about the bow. The rest of it doesn't really bother me. Okay, next. Okay, here is the striped dress. And I put on a little wedge heel with it in a color, since it's all black and white. This dress is super, super comfortable. It's like wearing a t-shirt. That's the material. And of course it has this little tie here. I think it's kind of cutesy. But I don't hate it. I think it's very cutesy, but I feel like I need to do something with it. But I think going into fall would be very nice. So I grabbed a jacket to try to give it a little bit more of an edgy look, because I feel like it needs something. So I had this little jacket with the faux leather arms I was going to try here, and it has this little drapey front to it. So I don't know if this changes the look a little bit. Is that any better? Oh, I'm running into stuff here. Okay, next. Okay, so here is the dress that I picked out. And I just put it on with green sandals because it has all these wonderful colors in it for fall. So I think I could wear lots of different shoes with it, but I picked an olive green sandal for the try on. It's so cute, this dress. So it has the faux wrap, but it's nice and held in place, so I don't think it's going to go anywhere. It has this nice A-line bottom. It feels like the most comfortable fabric. It's got the 3/4 sleeves, and I just like can't wait to wear this dress somewhere. I just think it's so pretty. I like it. So, and I grabbed my leather jacket I got in my, I haven't even worn it yet. You guys can see the tags are still on it. I got this in my trunk club, I think 2 trunks ago. And I wondered what this would look like. I think that's cute too. like that together. Okay, and then I was going to try on the cardigan that they sent me, which was their pick. And this cardigan is super soft. I do have to say that for it. And it's got like this t-shirt hem again, which is a pretty deep cut here. Look at that. So this is a very interesting little cardigan. It's very soft. It has the, I don't even know what this is. What kind of wrist is that called? I don't even know. I can't think today. But it is super soft. I feel like it almost has, like, I'm supposed to tie it or something. Am I supposed to tie it? I don't know. It's very cute. I mean, it's not bad. It's cute. It's super soft. I think it's very casual. The color isn't bad. It's interesting. Okay, I have one last top. Okay, and last is this really pretty tunic top, which is a very soft material. I really like it. I just took it on with a pair of Tom sandals. It needs iron, but it would be great with leggings or jeans or dress pants. Super comfy. I really like it. Yeah, of course this was my pick too, so I'm probably, you know, chances are I was going to like it. I do think it's super cute. Okay. I'll be back for a quick wrap up. Okay, so that was my try on. I wanted to show you guys, like this is how your price sheet goes, right? So it just shows you everything is like $149. You get 5 items. That's how everything works out to be like $30. But if you return something, it's not $30. It skews everything, and you, because they want you to keep it all, right? So, but they will let you return something. It just might not work out to your advantage always. So, just wanted to point that out. The first item was this blouse, which I'm just not sure how I feel about this little bow. And maybe instead of a bow, I could just tie it or do something different with it. But I like navy. I liked it with the red shoes. I might be able to do something with this. Wish that didn't sound good, did it? But I don't think this is bad. I think I would wear this. I just think I might do something about the bow. I would probably be more of a work shirt, right? This dress, I feel like it's very comfortable, but it needs something. I need to do something with it to make it a little edgier instead of cute. But I like how soft it is. This cardigan, intriguing, very soft. I think it'd be cute with, you know, t-shirt and jeans. It's so soft. So I think it's, you know, going to be more of like a casual cardigan that I would put on those lazy, comfy days. Of course, the 2 items that I picked out, I really like. So love this tunic. I'm looking forward to wearing it. Leggings, jeans, travel. And I just love this dress. I really do. I love this dress. So I think I will get a lot of wear out of this as well. And I don't even love florals that much, but for whatever reason, and it's a lot of floral, I'm really surprised, but I like this dress. So I would love to hear what you all think about this Golden Tote. So please comment below. Let me know what you think. I'd love it if you'd hit that like button and give me a thumbs up. I'd hit that subscribe button. Show me some support. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. From me and my sleepy sidekicks, who are both on the floor because I had to bribe them in here with treats. So, yeah, they're not really helping me out today at all. So, goodbye from all of us. I hope you have a great day. Till next time.